Hello, ma'am. Oh.
Natawagan ka, oh.
Oh, you're closed? You're closed?
Mag-burger ka daw.
She's closed.
Because grandma is not there, that's why. Jelana, it's baliktad. You know why? It's the oven is here. We need to put it backwards here. There you go.
But then I can't see the menu.
No, that's the oven. She's cooking. No, that's how. Oh, this is backward. Why would anybody cook this one? Cooking need to be on the other side.
Yeah.
Baliktad.
Oh, the menu needs to be on this side.
Yeah, the food cart, but the oven need to be on the other side.
No, no, it's yeah. No, it's supposed to be this side because this is how you're gonna turn this on and cook and stuff.
Oh. Baka yung customer na magluluto. There's none. It's 0. No, Ate Dong didn't give you yet.
Already done.
Asus.
Hey, Jelana, I'm gonna put these back.
Itapon ko lang nga itong socks na ito, madam. Maluwag na lock.
Well, I just want, I'll take one. Are you
There's
all done
none,
with these?
Julene.
You're done with these, Jelana?
Akit na tayo.
No.
Ay! Yeah. No. No, she's not gonna give you money now.
You're not playing with Abby.
Customer, I didn't customer, I want food.
Magluto muna ka ng hotdog. Lolo. There's a process. Lo.
Sakit mo naman magsalita.
Di mauntog sa upuan.
Ay, Jelana, this go there. Cause for the customer. Not for you.
Baliktad nga eh. Baliktad.
Yung paglagyan ng customer. Adi ko man eh. Paglagyan ng lulutuin niya sa...
Baliktad. Baliktad lahat yan.
It's like this. No, that's how you do it.
Yeah, pabayaan nyo na. Balik na.
Yeah, that's for your...
Baliktad yan.
Cooking. Are you the customer?
Baliktad yung lutuan.
The customer? Yeah, no.
Alabog lang ha. Diyos ko.
Sige.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't want to. Yeah.
Lo.
Cook na. Customer, cook your own order. Who's customer?
Me.
Okay, cook your own food. Because there's the oven is right there. So
Baliktad nga to kasi ng pangalan eh. Oh. Tapos andito yung lutuan. Hindi, tapos lutuan eh. Hindi, magluluto ka, baliktad eh.
ano ba yan? I fix it. No, that's not how you do it. Do it.
Lo. No.
Ayun mo. Grandma!
That's your mom.
Jelana, she's gonna customer give you money.
Oh, I heard her money.
Okay, how am I cooking these?
She need to cook there.
Back. I got my money.
Wait! No,
Read the direction. The pizza. Oh, she wants pizza. Ate Dong wants pizza. See. Ala. Ulo. Uy.
Nasabi ko lang eh!
It's not funny ko na.
No, that's how you do it.
I have my money.
Ito yung oven eh.
Huwag ka na, Mega. Nandiyan din lutuan. Oh.